Oh, it's not. Oh wait, this isn't the one with the original Burlington. I'm stupid. It's a different building. Blue door frame. This was a Burlington. It was the other. There was another building I got confused with. I forgot what it was though. I like these buttons. Yeah, this is a Burlington originally. I turned the fan on in all these elevators. I'm not happy about it. Not a fan of it. Basement. That works. All right, here we go. Motor time. That's pretty good. Oh God. Well, that's roof access. The old elevator used to be really cool because it had two buttons, like kind of like this, but it like showed one here, and then the buttons were like there. Oh, the rear works too. Like it showed both one, but it didn't show which one's the rear. But that showed you like up at. It was interesting. It was weird. You had to see a video of it. Pretty sure someone has a video up right now. I forgot to do a cab view. Looks very basic, but nice. I like the style a lot. And I forgot I pressed the rear. Well, they close at the same time. No, they don't. Lame. Okay, that's it.